One of these AI tools will show you exactly what your competitor is spending on ads right now for free. Here are 5 AI tips that'll give you real leverage without hiring a single new employee. That tool is called an ad library, a public searchable window where every ad your competitor is running sits in plain sight. And when we hit tip 2, I'll show you the exact screen to pull it up. First, the quick picture. Running a small business means you're the marketing team, the support desk, and the operations manager before lunch. These 5 tips hand the repetitive parts to AI so your judgment goes where it actually pays. One ground rule: everything here is a productivity suggestion, not financial or legal advice. You know your business better than any tool does. All right. Tip 1. Train an AI assistant on your own past customer conversations. Here's the setup. You could do it this afternoon. Export around 50 of your best past support emails and your FAQ page and load them into a project inside a tool like Claude or ChatGPT as reference material. Then tell it, answer new questions in this voice using these policies. From then on, every new inquiry comes back drafted in your voice because it learned from you. It knows how you handle refunds because it read how you handle refunds. You review, tweak a line, send. Inbox hours become inbox minutes. Tip 2, the one from the hook. Meta's Ad Library and Google's Ads Transparency Center are public websites. Type in a competitor's name and every ad they're currently running appears. The images, the wording, how long each one has been live, and in some regions, even estimated spend ranges. Completely free, and most owners have never opened it. Now add AI, paste those ads into your assistant and ask for a summary of the angles, offers, and audiences they're leaning on. 10 minutes and you're reading their playbook instead of guessing at it. Try it today with your 2 closest competitors, and the next tip is the one I'd set up first if I were starting again today. Tip 3. Stop guessing which ad will work. Generate 10 versions and let the results tell you. Take your best performing ad or just your next idea and ask your AI assistant for 10 variations in a table. Different opening hooks, different customer worries, different angles. Same offer. That's an hour of brainstorming compressed into 2 minutes. Pick the 3 most like your brand and run them side by side on a small budget. Winners earn more budget. The rest, retire. One concept in, a testable set out, and every round teaches you something real about your customers. Tip 4. You know the feeling when the phone buzzes and it's a 1-star review, that little drop in your stomach before you've even read it. Here's the fix. Keep a saved prompt in your AI assistant that says, draft a calm, on-brand, first response. Acknowledge the specific complaint. No excuses. Offer to make it right. Invite the conversation offline. Paste the review in, and a level-headed draft appears in seconds, written before your emotions were. You edit it, add the human touch, and post a reply your future customers will actually respect. And number 5 is the one almost nobody uses, and it's the easiest. Tip 5. Behavior-triggered follow-up drafts. Picture a regular who bought in January and hasn't been back. In March, they get a short, friendly note about what they bought, asking how it's working out, and they answer. The setup: once a month, pull the list of customers with no purchase in 60 days. Most sales tools have that filter, and have your AI assistant draft a short personal note for each one. You read every draft, send the ones that feel right, skip the rest. Not an automated blast. Your words, reviewed by you, just finally written. Winbacks stop being the task you never get to. So that's 5. A support assistant trained on your own emails, your competitors' ads in plain sight, 10 ad variations from one idea, the calm review response, and follow-up drafts that win customers back. Pick one this week. Tip 2 takes 10 minutes and costs nothing. If this was useful, subscribing genuinely helps me make more of these. And leave a comment telling me which tip you want the full step-by-step video on. I build the next one from those. Go run your business. Let the tools handle the busy work.